Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We are back. Chefs in the Hood, the Scruffy edition. You feel me? Yo, before we even get started, I don't normally do this at the beginning of my videos, but I think I gotta tell y'all to like and subscribe to our channel. The Impeccable Chefs in the Hood. Hit the bell icon. Do whatever you gotta do, alright? So anyway, today we are bringing you a Thai coconut curry soup. With our Thai coconut curry soup, we're gonna do some chicken on the side, some shredded chicken, and we're gonna also have some noodles. And we're doing it as a separate dish. If you want to have it as a vegetarian dish, you can just have the soup portion, and you don't have to have the chicken. And if you don't want the starch or the carbohydrates, you don't have to have the noodle. So it's kind of dope the way the dish goes together, you know. So y'all just gotta check it out. And some of our ingredients here are what we're using. Of course, garlic. We got some Thai curry paste here. The recipe calls for fish sauce, but I'm opting out and not using the fish sauce, and I'm using tamarind paste. Concentrated tamarind paste is what I'm using instead of the fish sauce. And that takes the place of your hoisin sauce or whatever you have, or oyster sauce or whatever. I use that. So, you know, here we are doing this Chefs in the Hood style. You know how we do. And we actually got a piece of lemongrass. This is lemongrass. It's actual lemongrass, ladies and gentlemen. And we got some green onion. And like I said, we got our noodles here. We're going to garnish it with some jalapenos. We got some Thai chilies. And we're going to go ahead and get started with these carrots. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I got to do one thing before I slice that carrot. I got to bid farewell to the Chefs in the Hood knife. She has passed away, and we got to send her off. She got cracked, and I cried. I was upset. I had her for over 20 years. But now we trying a new knife. It's made by Global Knives. So we going to give this a try. We trying to step our game up here at Chefs in the Hood. So we going to attack this carrot on the bias. And I want to tell you guys, the reason why we want big slices is because we're doing it's basically a vegetarian dish. So if you're going to do it vegetarian style, you want maybe some heartier pieces of veggie in there. So we're going to cut our peppers and our carrots and stuff at a good size. So let's go and continue with that. So let's get some of this bell pepper here as well. And like I said, big chunks. Get them seeds up out of there. You know how we do it. Look at that. That's beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. You don't want to get me started on that again, right? You know how we do. Some nice big pieces of bell pepper. That's what we want to do here. Nice red bell pepper. Nice and chunky for our soup. Let's go with this orange bell pepper too. We'll do some of this. This pepper's a little bit bigger than the red one, so we'll just go with maybe half. And we can always add more, ladies and gentlemen. And like I said, this is not, this is my version of coconut curry soup. It's a combination of different recipes that I looked at, but it's my version. So just bear with us, as I say. So let's get this bell pepper out of the way. In this bowl here. We're going to sit that to the side. And we're going to do a little bit of this green onion, because this is going to be part of our garnish. But I'm going to go ahead and get it sliced up, because our soup is not going to take long. And we're going to also get that on the bias. See that, ladies and gentlemen? My knife skills are nice. So we're going to try to dice up this piece of wheatgrass. We got to dice that up. And we're going to add this to our soup as well, too. But this wheatgrass, I keep calling it wheatgrass. It's lemongrass, guy. Keep messing up. It's lemongrass. What's wrong with me? Lemongrass. We got this lemongrass all cut up. And we're going to keep that in there, too. I'm not taking that out. We don't do bloopers here. Everything's a one take, ladies and gentlemen. Let me just let y'all know that. And as I said, lemongrass. It's lemongrass, not wheatgrass. Let's get that correct. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to excuse me. I'm entitled to mistakes. But anyway, we're going to get our lemongrass chopped up. We finally got our lemongrass all chopped up here. So we're going to go to our pot and add a little oil. We're going to get that oil hot. Shouldn't take long. And then we're going to go with this lemongrass in our oil. And we're going to do all of it. Very lemongrassy. And we got some ginger here. Fresh ginger root, ladies and gentlemen. You know we don't play. Fresh ginger root. We're going to do some garlic. And we're going to do some of this green onion. Because we're not doing regular onion. We're doing green onion. You know what I'm saying? We want to make sure we have it authentically Asian as possible, I guess. I don't know. But that's the way I'm thinking. I didn't want to use red onion or white onion in this. So I use green onion. And we just going to saute that up a little bit. And you can smell that lemongrass right there. Smells wonderful. Smells wonderful. We're going to give that a few more seconds. And then what we're going to do is add our tamarind and our paste, our chili paste. Oh boy, that smells wonderful. That smells wonderful. Let's go on with that paste. And like I said, we're using the tamarind paste instead of our fish sauce. So we're going to cook that up a little bit. Let's incorporate it. Cook that up a little bit. And then we're going to give that a couple minutes, and then we're going to come back and add some stock to it. Everything in there is simmering. And I'm going to try to give my peppers a little color. So we're going to get our peppers in there. And we're going to get this carrot in there as well. And try to give everything a little color. So we're not letting this cook a long period of time. I'm just trying to get a little color on it. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, I'm walking away, but I just need to get a little color on that. So we're going to give it a little stir. Man, it smells good. We'll give it a few more minutes just to see what we got there, and then we're going to add our stock. So what we're going to do is turn down this heat a little bit, And we're going to go ahead and add our stock. And then we're going to bring it to a simmer. Because remember, ladies and gentlemen, we're making a soup. We are making a soup. Meanwhile, while our soup is simmering, we're going to go ahead and get these noodles in there. I don't want to break them up. I want my noodles to be whole. And these are a wheat noodle, ladies and gentlemen. It's an organic wheat noodle. And they don't take very long to cook, 4 minutes. All right. So I told you our noodles will cook fast. But I want to save the liquid. So I'm going to pull the noodles out. I'm making a mess. That's what we do here on Chefs in the Hood. Sometimes we make a mess. So we got our noodles out. And now we just going to check on our soup. It's been simmering. I think it's looking good. So we're going to add our last few ingredients, which is going to be some sugar, about 2 tablespoons of organic sugar. Organic sugar, ladies and gentlemen. And then we got some unsweetened coconut milk here. We're going to add that. So we got our coconut milk in there. And we're going to go ahead and get some lime juice. We're going to squeeze a little lime in there. Right? And then I want it to be colorful. So we're going to do a couple of bias cuts of jalapeno. Green and red, ladies and gentlemen. We fly like that. We cut like that. We swing like that. I don't know. Diggable Planets / of course, RZA also had a song like that too. But this is what we do here. Coconut curry soup, ladies and gentlemen. In another 5 minutes, we will be done. And we will be tasting. Be ready? Let's go ahead and get a little in this bowl here. Look at that. See that? That's how we doing our coconut curry. And as you can see, we got our noodles here. And we got some pulled chicken. You know, and if you want to see that pulled chicken, I can show you that too. We got that in the oven. But the way you garnish your soup, we're going to take a little bit of basil and tear that up. Drop that on the top. And some cilantro. Right? And I want to try the soup by itself first. Before I add any meat or any noodles, I want to check the soup. That's awesome. So I know what the soup is going to taste like once I add the chicken, which I know the chicken is delicious, and my noodles. But we're going to take stuff over here to the table. And we got a little surprise for y'all. We got an extra spread. We got the veggie spring rolls garlic, sauteed broccoli. I'm sorry, sauteed broccoli. And my famous cashew sauce. My cashew tamarind dipping sauce. That's what we have here. Yes. Impeccable chefs in the hood. You want to see that chicken? Look at that. Looks marvelous. Marvelous to make your mouth watering or watery. How you want it. Chefs in the hood, family. Peace.